Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Samsung Galaxy A53. So, firstly open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. Open an app with a rabbit on the icon and tap Install. After installing, click Open, click Agree and Continue, wait a while, and press on the cross on the left top corner. Cool. Now on the right top corner you can see the globe. Click on it. By clicking on it, you can choose the country to connect to. For example, I want to connect to Germany. Here I have 2 free servers and Wi-Fi. So I want to choose free Frankfurt server. Click OK, and cool. VPN successfully connected to Germany, Frankfurt. Here you can see the speed of the connection, and cool. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.